Hey everybody, HVAC repair guy here. I've spent over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor building on my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two mid-tier heat pump systems for your home, comparing the Daikin DH7TC against the Frigidaire FSH4BF. My goal is to walk you through the spec data in plain English so you can make the right decision for your house. When you look at cabinet construction, both units come equipped with heavy-duty louvered coil guards and factory compressor sound blankets to dampen vibration and protect the internal coils from yard debris. The main manufacturing distinction comes down to assembly locations. The Daikin DH7TC is manufactured in the United States, while the Frigidaire FSH4BF is assembled in Mexico. Since these are heat pumps, they handle both heating in the winter and cooling in the summer. Heating efficiency is measured by HSPF, or Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, which tells you how much heat output you get for every watt of electricity consumed. The Daikin DH7TC comes in at an HSPF rating of 8.2, while the Frigidaire FSH4BF comes in right behind it at 8.1. In cold winter conditions, both units offer solid heating performance, but that slightly higher HSPF on the Daikin means it extracts heat just a bit more efficiently when temperatures drop. Both units handle summer cooling effectively and reliably. Looking under the hood at compressor and fan design, both systems utilize two-speed compressors rather than single-speed or fully variable speed inverter compressors. A two-speed compressor runs on low capacity most of the time to maintain steady indoor temperatures and manage humidity, ramping up to high capacity only when outdoor temperatures spike or drop sharply. Where these two differ is in the outdoor condenser fan motor. The Daikin DH7TC pairs its two-speed compressor with a two-speed condenser fan, allowing outdoor airflow to match compressor output. The Frigidaire FSH4BF uses a single-speed condenser fan alongside its two-speed compressor. Having two-stage operation on both the fan and compressor improves part-load comfort, airflow efficiency, and reduces unnecessary wear and tear on electrical components. Noise is always a big factor when an outdoor unit sits near a bedroom window or back patio. The Frigidaire FSH4BF has an average published sound rating of 73 decibels, which is about as loud as a dishwasher running in the kitchen or a normal conversation nearby. As for the Daikin DH7TC, I could not find a verified decibel rating for this unit in the published spec data, though it does include a factory compressor sound blanket to dampen operational noise. Looking at who manufactures each unit, Daikin produces the DH7TC directly under Daikin Comfort Technologies at their manufacturing plant in the USA. Frigidaire HVAC equipment is manufactured under brand license by Nortec Global HVAC, a subsidiary of Rheem Manufacturing at their facility in Mexico. On real-world installed pricing, a complete Frigidaire FSH4BF system installation generally ranges from roughly $4,500 to $9,500, averaging around $7,700 depending on home size, ductwork modifications, and local labor rates. A complete Daikin DH7TC installation typically lands in the $5,500 to $10,000 range, averaging around $7,800 to $8,500. Warranty coverage is where Daikin shows a distinct advantage. Frigidaire offers a 10-year parts warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. Daikin bumps that up with a 12-year parts warranty, a 12-year compressor warranty, and a full 12-year unit replacement warranty, giving you 2 extra years of complete factory protection. Taking everything into account, my recommendation is the Daikin DH7TC. It gives you a slightly higher 8.2 HSPF efficiency rating, a matching 2-speed outdoor fan motor, U.S. manufacturing quality, and a superior 12-year unit replacement warranty that makes it the better long-term value for your home.